Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and I am now in Shanghai, China. I've booked a hotel called the Kapansky, the One Suite. I do not know what room I booked, but I think I'm booking at a good price and the room is amazing. So let me just do a quick room tour. Okay, so when I first come in, this is the room. Immediately after the door is the shower. And yeah, it's actually pretty big. It is a large room, and I guess the facilities are all there. Yeah, and very interesting taps. And yeah, oh wow, there's a light that comes on. Amazing. And there is a huge mirror and sliding door for the bathtub and rain shower that we are using. Oh wow, quite interesting. I think I have a very nice shower. Let us move on to the wow, check this out, man. This is like the sitting area. I think there's like a sitting area and there's also a bedroom and there's also a dining area. Wow, my god. And the best of all, there's one TV, couch, very nice lighting with a nice chandelier. Yeah, and in the bedroom, oh surprisingly, this kitchen has a fridge, and inside the fridge there is some drinks, and there's also a induction stove, and then you can order in-room dining. That is pretty amazing. There's a variety of in-room dining here. Wow. And look at the decoration. I'm impressed. I think this is probably the first time. Of course, there's the tea and the cups and a lot of mirrors and yeah, a lot of decoration. Look at this light. Just simply amazing. And check this out. So much decoration in this room. It's like, oh wow. Okay, and of course, from the TV commute area, this is my bedroom. Oh my god, I didn't know that it's actually separated. And there's actually a door that separates the bedroom from the kitchen and commute room. So the bed is decent size, and in the bedroom there's actually another TV. Amazing, yeah. And a lot of drawers, and there's a working desk and a very luxurious seat. There's a reading and couch area where you can see the outside. Let me draw a curtain and check out the view from a hotel room. It's not bad, it's not too bad, it's not too bad. Okay, it's not too bad. Yeah, I would say it's not too bad at all. The room is pretty amazing, so I think for now that I'll just check in, I'm going to unpack and I'm going to get some food after this. 我觉得我来上海我应该说华语，所以让我休息一下，然后等一下我们就出去找吃的。Alright, so I've ordered some lamb skewer. I think this is a famous lamb skewer, and also 2 chicken wings because I want to try some chicken. And I've ordered actually half a dozen, so they are different seasoning. Alright, the skewer is ready. I've also ordered one of this veggie. It looks good. It's here. I'm gonna eat. The next to the skewer is hot. This is nice. Here, after dinner, they also give you, or rather after the meal, they also give you an ice cream. This is a cute size, a mini size of ice cream. Just step into the Starbucks industry in Shanghai. Just checking this bar Mexico in Starbucks Unisa's tree. And alright, then this is my tiramisu, alcoholic coffee drink. Situation update, man. Doesn't this crossing looks like Shibuya crossing? And you can see the Shibuya crossing in Tokyo from a Starbucks. And I'm at Starbucks. I just come to this place, which is Shanghai Road, which looks so anime. It looks so much like Japanese place. And of course, this is the very popular Waterful and Creamoros Bakery. Check out the building over there. It looks so much like something from a movie. Let's check out this place for my crab roll rice. Interesting place. Let me just move around. Check out. I don't know, today everywhere looks pretty quiet. So yeah, man. Check out this place. And they have a very interesting name of the places in China. I've come to get the Chinese tea, signature jasmine tea from Chongqing. Look at this sign, man. Oh, I just got my tea, man. I 包了蟹黄饭，还有蟹黄小笼包。我已经回到酒店了，所以我买了2样东西。今天晚上因为刚才去 Starbucks 吃了那个咖啡跟那个 tiramisu cake, I'm actually a little bit full, so that's why I do a takeaway for this crab roll rice. They say I cannot get noodles because the noodles would, get soggy. So I ordered the crab roll rice from this famous place. I also thought I want to get a chagi, so I got their famous signature drink, the jasmine tea. 蟹三包 191 Chinese yen. She ordered the set meal, so it comes with 2 side dishes. I also ordered the crab raw 小笼包 dumpling. So without further ado, let's open up the first box. Check this out. Nice! That's the dumpling. So let me open up the utensils. Oh wow. It's a challenge, man. It's a challenge to open up the utensils. Let me try the crab raw dumpling. Ooh. Alright, let's go. Oh yeah. Substantial amount of meat inside. The filling is actually very tasty. The skin, top part, is a little bit thick. Well worth the takeaway. Oh, this is the crab raw. Check out the crab raw, man. Oh, it looks amazing. Let me just... Whoa. I guess this is the rice. The bigger package is the rice. Obviously, rice. There are a lot of rice, so I'm going to move a little bit of the rice along with the dumpling because it's like a full box, man. I'm not sure how we're going to put everything in. Oh, the rice is very dense. Okay, let me put it together with the dumpling. Okay, alright, I think that should be good. Yeah, move about 1/3 of the rice. This is it, man. This is it. Oh, wow. Ooh. Mixed with the rice, yes. Wow. This is what we have come here for. This is what we have come to Shanghai for. The crab raw rice. Pretty excited. Before the trip, I was very excited. I was thinking, okay, I need to come to this place. 蟹三包 for the crab raw rice. I can see bits and bits and pieces of crab. And the crab raw. Whoa. Can smell the crab, man. Can really smell the crab. My goodness. Oh my god, you can really see the crab meat, man. The crab meat from the crab legs. Oh wow. This is a amazing texture. Wow. I'm glad I moved some of the rice out. Oh yes. Alright, now let's try the crab raw rice. Oh yeah, you can smell the crab. You can definitely smell the crab, man. Oh my god. Yes. Here we go. Here we go. The taste, a lot of crabby stench to it. Mixture is good. It's not too salty, not too savory. Yeah, and quite a nice flavor. Like it. Maybe it would be better if it's warmer, because this is like an hour after they produce, so the taste may be very different if you eat it at the store. But honestly, there isn't so much crab meat. I was expecting to be more yellow, but alright, next I'm going to try the Chongqing signature jasmine tea. Double protection, man. Double protection. My goodness. Oh my god, double protection. So they give you a choice to actually, poke the straw here, or you can drink it off like the Starbucks cup from here. Because I'm going to use a straw. Alright. Not sure whether or not I should give it a stir. The signature milk tea from Chongqing. So let us see how it tastes like. Oh, it actually tastes good. I actually thought that it's going to be a bit syrupy, but it's not. The taste is just nice. It's very smooth. It's actually surprisingly good. This is good. Like it. Recap summary for the day. After the hotel, I actually went to 很久以前羊肉串, which is where I want to go. The lamb skewer was amazing. I was basically there before the shop opened. The shop actually opens at 5 and I was there about 4:55, so I don't really need to queue. There wasn't any lamb stench to the lamb, so that was good. And then after that, I headed to the Starbucks roastery, which is just adjacent to the 很久以前羊肉串. So from there, I actually ordered a coffee cocktail. It was pretty good. And besides the cocktail, I also have a cake that goes along with it. So after that, I was actually quite full. That's why I did a takeaway for the crab roll for this evening for my dinner. I came here and have all the 3 food that I was looking for. So basically, it was the lamb skewer. I visited the Starbucks, and I also have the crab roll rice. And of course, Chongqing. So it was a nice day. And yeah, and basically that's the recap for my first day in Shanghai. It was pretty good. Tonight I'm going to sleep early because tomorrow I have a day trip to Suzhou. So I'm going to wake up at, breakfast over at this hotel is 7 a.m. So it's a little bit late, but it was okay. I have to catch the train to Suzhou at 10. So I think I still have enough time, 7, 8, 9, 10, 3 hours to make my way to the Shanghai train station and about 25 minutes to Suzhou. So I'm pretty excited and I'm going to call it a wrap for the day, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Alright, good morning everyone, and welcome back. Today is the second day of my trip in China, Shanghai, and I just had my breakfast and now I'm all ready to go and do a day trip in Suzhou. So later I'm going to take Didi to the Shanghai railway station, and from there I'll be taking a high-speed train to Suzhou, which should take about 20 to 25 minutes. We'll look at where I'll be visiting in Suzhou. First of all, I'm going to visit the Humble Administrator's Garden, and then I'm going to visit the Pingjiang Courtyard, or I think that's a river, should be quite nice. And then hopefully, if I have time, I'm going to visit the Chongqing Bridge. Map of Suzhou. Alright, without further ado, let's go. Okay, alright, I just reached the Shanghai railway station. My lounge is 7, my train is G7008 to Suzhou. Alright, walking down to the train. Alright, I just reached Suzhou train station. Wow. the train. 到此一游。Alright, good morning everyone. Today is the third day of my trip in Shanghai. And yesterday I was at Suzhou. I didn't do a wrap-up videos for yesterday because yesterday after I come back from Suzhou, I was very tired. And also there was another long story about me missing the train and then having to, change the timing for my train ticket. The time now it's about 12 and the sun looks hot. UV it's about 7 today. So it's relatively high. This morning I plan to go to Wukang Road, but I think I'm going to go to visit Xingtiandi first before I take a cab to Wukang Road later in the evening, because I think the weather should be a lot more conducive because now it's really sunny and hot. I am also going to visit the Nanjing East Road, pedestrian road, and also finally get to catch a glimpse of the barn in the evening as well as at night. And yeah, hopefully today is going to be like chill day. Yeah, not like yesterday. Yesterday I was just at Pingjiang Road the whole entire day because the rest of the attractions requires you to get a ticket, and it's just visiting gardens. So well, I'm not so interested in gardens. Wow. Alright, so that was the cleaning lady, and yeah, now I'm going to go out. Okay, 我已经到了，因为这里应该是新天地。哇哦，人山人海。Come here to get some milk tea. Alright, so I'm going to get one of this. Okay, wow, I just placed the order, but the order takes about 1 hour to get the tea. So I think I'm going to find another cafe to get the same drink. Alright, I've just reached Nanjing Pedestrian Road. What a beautiful day! This cute car. Alright, check out this restaurant again to have dumpling and spring roll. Alright, so I've ordered the crab roll spring roll and the crab roll dumpling as well as the crab roll broccoli. Yes. Alright, just finished my lunch or snack lunch, and there's a line outside now. Alright, I am back to my hotel room again. Whew. This afternoon was an exhausting trip, man. Well, this afternoon I visited Xintiandi, definitely. And then after that, I took a Didi to Nanjing East pedestrian street. And today it was crowded. I think because today is the 1st of May and it is a national public holiday. I walked all the way along the Nanjing pedestrian street, all the way to the Bund, and the Bund was like super crowded. But of course, you know, I get to see the Oriental Pearl, the Dongfang Mingzhu, so that's good. The weather was like 30 degrees today, but it was hot and humid. I was very exhausted. I was like so tired of walking, and then I took a Didi to get some snacks and then come back to hotel. I got the jasmine chaji. Yeah, then I also got this very interesting glutinous rice snack. Yeah, so this is $8. Along the way, I found a store selling mango. So this is a very huge mango. The mango was like the size of my hand. This is 25 yen for a box. So let me try the glutinous rice dumpling first. Like one of the popular street snack in Shanghai. Green in color. There's actually a salted duck egg yolk with pork floss. 好吃. Alright, so after this, I'm going to take a rest. Maybe go for a quick gym before heading back to the Bund in the night to see the night scene. I think it's going to be spectacular. Alright, and I am now back to the Bund. And wow, look at the amount of people. Holiday, it's really different, but alright, check that out, man. Checking out Luckin Coffee now at the Bund. I am here. Man, let's check this out, man. Okay, this is my supper for the night. I think I'm an expert at Yang Rou Chuan already. So I got 5 lamb skewer from this cafe or restaurant near my hotel, and I've also gotten the beef wonton. Smells good. Shanghai 早上好. Today is the 4th day of my trip in Shanghai. Yes, I think I've not filmed myself a lot the last few days because the crowd in Shanghai is like insane, and I feel very awkward to actually just hold the camera in front of my face and start talking to a camera. It was quite random, I think, the shot, but I hope I'll document whatever I was here to do And yeah, today we have a late start. Time is about 11 a.m. So today's itinerary. Today I'm going to start visiting from Wukang Lu, coming back all the way down to Anfu Lu and Changle Lu as well as Fuxing Lu. And then after that, I'll come back to somewhere around my area to have my lunch. That's a very chill itinerary for today. I'm also going to try out some cafes along the way and chill out a bit before heading back to Yuyuan, which I visited last night. But I visited Yuyuan last night at about 9ish. The lights switched off at 10 p.m. exactly. I'm ready and let's go. Alright, check out the scene, man. Oh, final bite, man. What is this place? Burger joint. Wow, wow, wow. Alright. Got my stop out for coffee, or rather I got a jasmine tea from this Manor Coffee. Alright, I have successfully got my jasmine tea from Manor Coffee. Wow, that's someone getting married today, right? So now I'm making my way to Anfu Lu via Wukang Lu. This is an interesting cafe. I'm gonna check out this perfume store. There is a Wukang market over here. Alright, I have just reached Anfu Lu. So cute, right? Alright, so the feel of the Anfu Lu and Wukang Lu is very similar. All right, 我们现在到长乐路了。Get inside this banana shop. They have a beaters over here. Comes with weight. I didn't know Lady Gaga also have I think we have more or less come to the end of Changle Lu. Now I am at Fuming Lu. Okay, this is a nice cafe with something on the top here. Oh, this is not a cafe, I think this is a fashion shop. I'm a big fan of history and bakery. Nice. Alright. What a view, man. The inflated balloon. Alright, rich gentle monster, but look at the crowd. Okay, so I guess everyone is here to see the croissant. All the queue just for this.
现在有那个像烫的，
大家都让一下，让一下来。我让上去。怎么的嘞？刚刚那个我在的。
To have some dumpling. Yeah, I actually wanted to do a takeaway, but apparently there's some miscall, so I'm eating in the store. Alright, just have a quick snack and lunch at this dumpling place. Got it. Okay, 谢谢。
给我就行了。
Right, man. Finally, 1 hour and 20 minutes of wait just for this. Finally, unpack Mama handmade. There's yam in the drink. It's not too sweet. Collected like 1 hour and 30 minutes later just for this. It's not too bad, not too sweet. Yes, I'm happy. Alright, I've just walked to this place, and so I'm going to try to get a tart or cake from this place. Alright, I just got this French strawberry cream tart. Alright, process is quick and fast. So I've got quite a lot of stuff, man. pastry and snack. I'm going back to the hotel, take a rest. I think I'm going to skip Yiyuan as well because I think it's going to be as crowded as yesterday. Do some gym work and yeah, and enjoy my snacks. On my way back to my hotel to recharge my batteries, and there is a boo and this place. Alright, looks pretty. Look at the vibe of this restaurant. See, have a street dining, al fresco dining just at the road junction. So it's such a nice place, right? So today's dinner will be a lamb skewer from this shop, which I came 2 days ago. Okay, I've just checked out from the hotel. So basically, I've just booked a Lux Didi cab from the hotel to the airport, and it costs about 378 yen. Yeah, that's equivalent to about $68. So I think the Didi is here, so I think I need to go, and I'm going to wrap up the videos over here. I hope you enjoy watching the videos, and if you like the videos, please hit the like button and hit the notification button as well, so that you'll be notified of more of our upcoming videos in the future. And with that, take care, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye bye. So this car, basically, the door opens from here, opens from this side, and the hinges is here. It's a pretty interesting vehicle. And yeah, there's a sky roof here as well. Awesome. And this is my car, man. 谢谢你。
你好，哎，好的，期待再次为您服务，再见。
好，谢谢。
好，拜拜，这边可以进去，从那边走，那边走。
OK， 好，拜拜。
好，再见啊，拜拜。